In just 1 to 2 months into your MBA, you will hear your Placecom announce the start of summer internship placement process. Okay, let me give you a clear picture of this process that happens in most B schools. So as you start your MBA, your placement committee will ask you to prepare a master's CV. I know you might have heard this everywhere that Microsoft Excel is the most powerful tool when it comes to your MBA. Hey, you're just 1 month away from starting your B school journey if you have decided to join the MBA batch of 24-26 in your dream B school. And I first want to congratulate you for coming all the way till this point. I mean, you went through the rigorous CAT preparation phase and then the most anxious CAT exam, outperformed others, prepared for interviews and gave multiple interviews, and now all this stress of shortlisting and the decision of where to join, which college to choose and all those stuffs. I mean, you have been through a lot over the past few months, right? So you have come to the end of one journey, the journey of MBA admission. And you're about to join the next journey, which is much longer and filled with more anxiety, stress, uncertainties, whatnot. But you're going to love it, right? So, which is why I actually don't want to keep this video too long, which is why I've made it very short, including the bare minimum things you should be doing when you're just 1 month away from starting your campus life. But at the same time, if you are someone who doesn't want to waste even this 1 month, who wants to use it in a productive way, then I've also included a few bonus things that you can do in this 1 month. But before we begin, welcome to the BSchooler. I'm MG Dishan and I've done my MBA from DMS IT Delhi, the batch of 21-23. Help me make more such CAT as well as B-School content by liking this video and also subscribing this channel, as I've just started off. Your support definitely means a lot. So coming back to our topic, let's start with the very first thing that you should be doing. 1. Relax. This is the time you must relax. Go ahead, binge watch that series that you always wanted to, or go for some trip, go meet your friends, or do whatever you like doing. Why am I stressing so much on this? It's because the initial months, your MBA is going to be hectic, or at least your first trimester or the initial 4 to 5 months of your MBA is going to be definitely hectic and stressful. You're going to do a lot of late night assignments, get started with new subjects like finance and accounting, for which you will have to devote a lot of time. Then you will have a lot of placement sessions and club committees, selections, and this will be very time consuming and also drain a lot of energy out of you. And lastly, more importantly, you will also get started with your summer internship process just 1 to 2 months after you join your college, and for which the preparation will start almost as immediately as you start your MBA journey, right? Which is why it's going to be hectic. So relax for the next 1 month. Have a blast. 2. Collect CV points. Now, as I just mentioned, just 1 to 2 months into your MBA, you will hear your Placecom announce the start of summer internship placement process. And one very important task to be done before this is to get your CVs ready. Now, most B schools follow this process of your senior Placecom members or your placement committee verifying each and every point in your CV, for which you will need proofs. Okay, let me give you a clear picture of this process that happens in most B schools. So as you start your MBA, your placement committee will ask you to prepare a master's CV. Now, master's CV is a summary of your entire life, which will include all the activities and achievements from your school, college, as well as your work experience, like participating in annual day event or holding a particular rank or winning a particular competition. Your placement committee will ask for proof. So you can either show it in the form of certificate, the competitions that you have won. But if you do not have a certificate, you will be asked to get an official mail from your school principal or your college principal or your manager from your previous companies. Now, you may not be able to complete this entire process because you might need guidance or instructions from your placement committee, be it the format that needs to be followed in the mail or whatever. But you can at least get started. So sit back and think everything you have done during your school, college, and your work right? So sit back, think about everything you have done, note them down, and also go to your school and college if you're in the same town. Meet your principal or vice principal and explain your situation. I'm going to join this B school, or I'm going to start my MBA journey. And in another 1 to 2 months, I might come meet you, or I might send you a mail with few of these details and I might need your approval. Now, relaxing and getting started with your CV points were 2 musts that you should be doing in this 1 month before your college, right? But if you have more time and you want to use it more productively, say at least 1 hour a day, you want to make use of it so that it helps you during your MBA, then you can start gaining few basic skills that will help you survive your MBA. So here are the bonus steps that you can do right now. 1. Learn basics of finance. Now, if you're an engineer, you might be totally clueless about finance, right? So you can start in this 1 month, you can start with few basic concepts like basics of accounting, basics of finance, basics of financial modeling to at least learn few basic concepts like time value of money, assets and liabilities of a company. Now, you can do this by watching YouTube videos or free courses on platforms like Coursera or Udemy, right? So now I have linked few free courses that you can do on Coursera on this topic. 2. Understand basics of macroeconomics. Now, this might also be a tough subject during your first trimester or semester, and something that is new that would be tough to comprehend in that stressful time, right? So you can start by watching few YouTube videos, and I have linked one such YouTube video in the description which explains this topic in a very easy manner. 3. Learn how to use Microsoft Excel. Now, I know you might have heard this everywhere that Microsoft Excel is the most powerful tool when it comes to your MBA. You will be using that in various subjects. You'll be using that in your case competitions, your summer internship, right? So it is good to get started with Microsoft Excel. So I have linked a few courses, few free courses on Coursera, which takes you from that basic level to intermediate to advanced level in Microsoft Excel. 4. Learn to present. Now, this involves skills like PowerPoint, Canva, or even soft skills like public speaking or presentation skills. Now, you need not be pro at this from the day one, right? Because these skills will eventually get sharpened during the course of your MBA. But right now, you can at least get started with learning how to use PowerPoint or watch some YouTube videos or practice some amount of public speaking. 5. Using AI. One last and brownie skill that you can start learning now is the usage of AI, right? You can use AI to make presentations. You can use AI to do your market research, to do your analysis, and this is going to come handy almost every day during your MBA. So I'll definitely make another video on how to use AI during your MBA, but for now, at least learn to use ChatGPT, write those prompts. There is already a lot of videos on YouTube to do this. So with this, we come to the end of this video, and I hope this helped you in some way. If so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you don't want to miss out on a lot of B-School related content. Thank you.